Hello again. So only 2 weeks to go until we start making decisions on what boat we're going to get for our travels. But we are pretty much so camping in the house now. Everything's been packed up and sold and gone into storage. So we're getting ready for the big adventure. And I think one thing which I'm going to be very sad to say goodbye to is this beautiful girl. So I thought I'd give you a look. She's a 1982 Rolls Royce Silver Spirit, and I've completely restored her and done all of the interior, and she's a magnificent car, but I'll miss her very, very much. I've enjoyed owning my second Rolls now. But anyway, we will get ready, and these will probably get longer as I get used to actually doing, I don't even know what you call them, podcasts, a post, don't know. But anyway, this is little Kingston. Say hello, Kingston. Meow, meow. Or should I say, Lord Kingston. Have a great day. Bye.